Shit. Uh, let's go to my exec CMD. Fuck, exec CMD. It's exec CMD. Exec CMD. Where the fuck is the home.config, box, script, openchat.sh? Why won't that work? That doesn't make any fucking sense. Just hold on for a few seconds. Huh? Oh wait. I'm fucking stupid. I'm fucking stupid. Uh yeah, now it will work. I'm fucking stupid. I'll just do that, and everything should work well. So let's go to my show. Message pinned. I'll do that. OBS is still working. I'll change the audio to this. I should actually change it a bit more. Yeah, this should be okay because it's game on, right? It's game on. Don't need that. Get my music fully back up. It actually did. Damn. That's good. That's fucking good. Uh, let's attach. Quit. Let's attach. Don't do that. Do that. And I should open desktop. So desktop. Why do I have a ping in this cafe? Oh, You want to wait. Very good. Mm, fine. That should be done. Quit. No, not elevated UVFS. That's considered weird. I'm gonna take a look at logs because every time we take a look at logs, we get sad. Now, moment of truth. I should also make this as much transparent as possible, as humanly possible. And then what we need is com. No, I do want this is this right. So if I pin that and go back to this, this is not pinned. So why is it still on top? Are you still working? Okay, OBS is back up. Thankfully, OBS is back up. Successful connect. Although text chat killed itself, so cd test text chat. Not cd test text chat. We're gonna run a clear. We're gonna run ven slash ven python text chat py. Yeah. Yep. Now, moment of truth. Next is mods. New Fallout New Vegas modding. Because I wanna. It's been a while since I modded stuff. Viva New Vegas. I could check that out. But I don't know why I should check that out. Full guide. Manual step by step. Okay, what's the Viva New Vegas thing? Yeah. Perfect. This mode. Better than internet requirements. 9 gigabytes. I can get myself in. Okay. No, so I have those stuff. Disabling base address randomization. Choosing location and installing the games. Installing the games. Post installation. Generate fresh any files. Organizer 2. I know UVFS. Wait. Yes, I know which some performance over it. Yes, I know how to install mod organizer 2. Skip utilities. Manual downloads, root mods, new Vegas script extender, FNA BSA decompressor, decompresses the vanilla BSA file to reduce loading time. No, I'll not do that. Ultimate Edition ESM file fixes remaster. Okay. Next mods. Don't you fucking link it? Oh, you do link it, thankfully. Uh, FNV BSAD compressor. Decompresses and repacks them without CC compression for performance. Additionally, transcode the OTD sound to raw so they work. It also extracts any MP3 files and loose files because they will not play when under. Smooth Edition ASM file fixes for master. The version of ASM fixes that does more extensive work to fix the remaining issues in FNV ASM. I'll skip that for now. If it's needed, then I'll install it. Yeah, Zeppelin and Johnny Guitars and VSE. Or I could try to see what the stuff that I had actually installed. You know what? Let me do that. So, my mods, my media, download history. So only for last download, upload a log, search. Can I not do that? Can I just New Vegas one? Interesting, my stuff actually pops up. I don't wanna you watch the stuff about M2, this and that. I just wanna know some mods. Like the base
Modding
mod.
Fallout New Vegas. The first thing you're going to need is quite obviously a copy of the game. But it needs to be on Steam or GOG. Unfortunately, if you have it on the Microsoft Store, it's really hard to mod. In fact, there are several basically essential mods that will not work on that version of the game, so it has to be Steam or GOG. In addition to that, it needs to be the full game with all of the DLC, or as it's otherwise known, the Ultimate Edition. Changing a lot of things. It would be a lot easier if it's a simple one. You this launcher. Go on to the options and check everything's okay, because often it isn't. My resolution has not been set correctly, so I'm going to set that. Click OK, and then play. This will run the game once. The reason for this is it sets all the INI files that you're going to need, and we just need to do that before we start the modding. You know, changing the pacing of the game or anything. And you've probably already noticed that you still have a couple of bell icon notifications. Don't. And that is what we're going to do right now. We're going to install the stable New Vegas collection. This collection includes a lot of essential and near essential mods that will provide bug fixes that will make the game a lot more stable.
I don't want to install like a full collection.
Even by itself, it will improve the experience the game will just to do. Right where it says add collection and simply click it. If this is your first collection, you will get a pop-up telling you collection will the collection. If you click here, you need to
Not collections per se. 2026 edition. Please don't show me collections, because yes, I know it's easy, but I don't want to add like 99% of the stuff. Although I'm probably gonna add 99% of the stuff from collections, but still.
Who won the lottery? I did! Smell that air! Couldn't you just drink it like booze?
controlling the Mojave once you wish for a fair kill.
What is this shit?
You dork. Go back to the chess club. Who's laughing now?
You
What do you hear? What do you say? Hey, hi there. Good to see you. Man, it's been a really long time since I did a video like this. The last modding tutorial I did was back in 2024, and I have gotten requests to do an updated video. So sit back and let's start modding.
Hey, did you know I'm in the new season of Fallout?
Yeah, they're gonna find your corpse next to a bloody golf club. All right, first things first. We need the prerequisites for modding. First of which is a file extractor like 7-zip.
Yes, Jesus, I just wanna...
Because of how broken New Vegas is, you need mods to fix it. And finally, if you want to go the extra mile and mod the shit out of your game, you're going to need a mod manager. Vortex's old even experience different and get a different mod manager. Now let's get the... Okay, great, it didn't crash. Now the first mod we need to get is the 4GB patcher, the big boss of all New Vegas mods. Just look at how many downloads this has. This mod...
Yes, I know.
...run on 4 gigashits of RAM instead of 2. Just click files and press manual download on the first link. Slow... Anyways, once it's in your preferred... be the FNV patch. Both folders open.
The next thing you'll need is a New Vegas script extender, or NVSE for short.
Hey, you can't use your real voice.
Okay.
First, we need to download NVSE or XNVSE or whatever the hell it's called now. This extends New Vegas' script to handle complex mods. You need this mod to download other mods. Now, we have the option to download this. Yeah, I've never needed that shit. Vegas folder, just like with the 4GB patcher. This shows up in your bottom left corner. XNVSE and the all the mods we install into this. To connect it to New Vegas, we have to go to games and find it within the library. I can see all of the mods you install. Let's check out Nexus. This is where you'll get all the mods for your game. The 4 mods you should install first are these bug fix mods, which also allow other mods.
Okay.
Now, New Vegas has a thriving modding community. There are dozens of new mods being added every day.
Maybe I'll just sort by popular and... Hey, let's do that. Nexusmods.com. I don't want to add a collection. I don't want to add my collection manually. $3 fucking dollars? Jeez. That's a steal. That's a steal. New trending popular. All time. View all. Come down. So mod configuration. We know I have that. Zeppelin and VSE plugin. Probably at that. F1 4 spicer, hertz. Let's see, do that, baby. That. Okay, I'll just add like a Zeppelin and VSE patcher. Requirements, New Vegas script extender. broken game features. Okay. So, requires XMVC or newer. You can install version is older. Okay. So mod manager download. That and that. So slow download. This is slow download. Allow Nexus mods. Let's check my downloads. Yep, both are downloadable. Which is peak. So let's install this. So let's go to menu. And yeah, I'll keep that in here. But pause, resume. That's problematic. Cancel. This is all canceling. Oh shit. Tmux attach. Let's go to B-top and see if Umo. Just this Umo FC. Anything that's problematic. Anything that's problematic. I want to NXM handler. Okay, no NXM handler stuff. I'll just. This is the ini, right? Close that. Slow download. Okay. Install. Why need to install this? Like, shit, that's problematic. What's this archive is using? It's using 7-zip, right? Delete. Let's delete something. Okay. This is what's the status? Is it still canceling? This is still canceling? Refresh. Can I restart? Exit. Yes. Okay, I can restart. So let's do that. Let's run this bad boy again. Okay, and this sync is up. It should open the stuff in here, which is epic. It's paused. Can I just delete, move? Fine. Now I wanna close this. Files, Ziplin, mod manager download. Yes. Download. It's the settings. Just work. Please just fucking work. If this not works, this is gonna put me in the apps. Fetching info, download, install. Settings thing, right? Please complete to replace existing mod. Old files are deleted. Place. Hold up. Hold up. Data. I should do it. I should have done a fucking merge. I should have done a fucking merge. Download that. Start download. Save and downloads. Okay, install. Downloaded. This is the plugin installed. Universal plugin. So this should be replaced. And this should be installed. Again. Now both are installed. And is this endorsed? Okay, this is endorsed. So file, manage instances. Not that. View, tools, executable, settings, theme, style, Windows 11, Fusion, open Windows, Fusion, Dracula. Okay. Dracula is kinda okay. Manage instance. Not manage instance, tools. Settings. What about Fusion? It looks fucking ugly. Settings. General, plugins, working on Nexus, modules, theme. What about? Oh, it has. Is there a Fallout one? Fallout. If there is a Fallout one, that'll be kind of cute. Paper automata, paper with transparent stuff. Morrowind, Fallout 4, Fallout 3. What about this? What does transparent stuff do? This kind of it's kind of peak. It's kind of peak. It's kind of cooking. It kind of cooks. Although it's kind of Fallout 3, but it still cooks. Ish. In any case, we will just need to remember that. I might change this, I might not change this. Oh, this is peak. This is peak. This is actually peak. So NVSE stuff. So weapon smart WMX. If I remember correctly, I think I installed this. So sniper rifle, carbon fiber parts. So yeah, it's to enable that both all of those stuff. Which is kind of like this. So weapon mods expanded. Huh? What the fuck I swear to God. Guinness World Records. Okay, hold up. Google Books. Fastest lap of no game. Most video game search performed. Where the most downloaded mod for Fallout New Vegas. Actually Guinness World Record. Damn. This is kind of peak. This sheesh. This is kind of peak. Yeah, I think I download this. Oh, I haven't downloaded this. I'm gonna download this. So please read the readme. Duplicate in the description before using. Okay. Readmes. So description. My weapons Fallout 3 inspiration. Expand upon it. Maximum. Installations. Installation and installation. Please follow. 7-zip. Next mod manager FNV edit. I think I need FNV edit. Let's see. Let's open this in here, and in the meantime, files. Can I mod manager? What does it say? What does this actually say? Oh, it can like directly FNV edit. I don't think I need FNV edit. Yeah, I know it's edit and conflict detector and all this and that. Yeah, I'm gonna. I I know I should not skip on it, but I want to skip on it. Oh, because if I have any other mods. Can I connect now? Yeah, I think I can connect. Please send me. Yep. Thank God. Reconnection successful. That's peak. That's peak. You know what? I'll just not do FNV edit like right now. And just do so mod manager JH. Enhance video enhancements, weapon retexture, I don't know about that. Official DLCs. Compatibility grab bag. Compatibility patches, several new fully modified weapons. You know what? I'll keep this. More perks. No, not this. Not this. Not this. Like I want to keep stuff like kind of vanilla because I haven't done a full playthrough, right? Yeah, I think I'll need that. I'll file space game and all DLCs. So JF. Slow download. That's okay, it's kind of downloading at some rate, I guess. So yeah, base game and all DLCs. I think I'll need that. Fixes, Viva New Vegas, resources, then the Johnny Guitars, and we'll see. Black Skies, Revenant, Texture, I have that, Project Nevada. Show off and exit plugin. Now those stuff, thank God, I have. Downloads, not download, but like all-time endorsements, downloads, unique downloads. Let's check last 1 year, right? Last 1 year. I remember some plugins that I can't remember like right now. I had some UI plugins, I had some this and that and this and that and this and that and this and that. I'm tired, I'm fucking tired. This is why modding New Vegas can be a pain in the ass. Let's go all time. Right. Can I just not? Can I just? You know what? My mods. No, download history. Let's go to my download history. Let's. I wish there was like a proper way. Uh, so Fallout New Vegas registry. Fix. Okay, I don't need that. Bullet impact. Increase LOD. Bullet impact. Increase LOD. Enhance bullet impacts. Also choose 3D sounds for headphones. So yeah. Now I know. Miscellaneous. So this is for like a proper sniper build because this is like pretty damn nice. Uh, to add mod manager downloads, slow download. And it should be done. Should be. And in the meantime, let's install the app. Let's create separator and let's name this combat and increase bullet impact. Let's hide installed. Unhiding. Okay, thankfully. So increased bullet impact. Install LOD. Yep, this is combat. So bullet impact. This ESP this. Oh, I should have downloaded this. Eh. So it doesn't actually take a fucking stuff. You know what? I'll install this. I'll install this one. And I'll just enable selected, disable selected, remove mod. Yes, I want to remove that. I wanna actually delete that. I should manage instances, not manage instances. I should tools, profiles, not tools, settings, theme, night eyes. Okay, should be better. Yeah, it's time to be like way fucking better. Bullet impact LOD increased. So combat install. Okay, ESPS, that's the one. So I have the patches and utils. The combat stuff. Then enhance bullet impacts. I'll download that. Visual and graphics. I'll also go there and update visual and graphic stuff. And also Fallout Launcher. I want to run this. Doesn't fucking run. Fucking obviously. Edit. Fallout launcher, Fallout launcher. Okay. Why the fuck won't you run? I'll need to figure out Bethany then. Bethany! Oh fucking hell, like fuck that. Tools. Guys, before I do all that, Bethany. Because if I remember correctly, I set like everything at like so fucking low. Bethany Pie, last countries for love. What? Show me, 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 show me. Fucking show me. Fuck, yeah. He has building packs. Yeah, I'll do that. It's nice to actually see videos. Has building packs. Not bad to download. It has building packs. So install enhanced building packs. So this goes to combat. You know what? Let's rename. I could okay, you know what? At the moment, if it gets like too big, I'll rename it. Go to sky, special effects, ambient lighting. ESP was that. I'll take a look at ambient lighting and Nevada skies. Could I have never installed that. I'm just gonna. What's the hum? Right? What's the hum? Okay, ambient. Wait. Requirements. Not required but recommended. Ambient lighting extended. Skin meshes. I have script extender vanilla plus filling. Yeah, you want I'll do both of them. Doesn't hurt, doesn't hurt. It's reply, it's normally standard. Oh god. This is the problem with mod manual. The dependencies exponentially increases. Yeah, I'll take a look at that a bit later. Boost turn shading, but expected lighting, that's good for all frog. Let's take a look at best thingy. I don't know why the fuck GitHub doesn't like to load, but it doesn't like to load. Okay, it's loaded. Updates of noise. Releases, no releases. I wonder if I can just. The Bethany Pie is it's kind of creepy. Mod manager download. You know what? You know what? I'll do that. Why not? It doesn't hurt that. Information is associated with myself. You know, I'll download manually. Fine, I'll download manually. Download to start. I just said download manually. Bro. Manual download. The throttle stuff is gonna be so much pain, plus best any power. Save file. Okay. Where do I wanna save file? Locations. Computer. MIT. SDO1, SDO2, SDO1, SDC1, SDC1, Vegas. I don't know. So let's do Bethany. Save and there. Okay, so Bethany should be downloaded. So Lumen Vanilla Plus. And not gonna do that. I got a size weather effects. That's kind of peak, right? That's kind of peak. But I'm gonna pass on that. I do want like really good audio, like as much as I can get from this old game. So what I'll do, I'm not gonna do the project run footsteps. I saw the tricks and fixes. Audio mode for Fallout New Vegas. Atmos, yeah, I'll do that. Aim down sights, backup, sound effects. Immersive pickup sound box, or restore fixed sounds. 2D logo windows. You know what? Let's. Headphones recommended. No shit. Okay. The style is kind of free. So this is eargasm level. Oh god. Oh god, this is eargasm level. Oh god, I wanna. Does it do bi-directional sound and stuff like that? Like, can I use it with that sound? Also, DSOAL. Files. Can I actually use this with that? DSO. It's DSOAL, right? So posts HV. DSOAL. Oh, it's actually recommended. That's peak. That's peak. Okay, I'll download both then. Fuck, I'll download both then. Because this is peak. This is some peak shit. And I'm a sucker for audio more than shit. The fuck? Why no mod manager? Outdated mirror use. Okay, use GitHub this instead. Releases instead. Okay. Okay. Not with a mod manager before releasing. Okay. Fine. 17 hours ago. Okay, GitHub Actions. Shit. Star. Watch. Custom. Releases. Why? Okay, not because I'm gonna be pinged like every few seconds. Not releases. Uh, shit. Participating in this. Okay. So, let's go to actual releases. Oh, releases 2 tabs. LGPL. Oh, it's actually LGPL. That's kind of peak. Workflow, build archive. Okay, assets. Photo 7Z. Save file. Fallout New Vegas. Right. Manual mode. So I'll save it in there. And I'll also install Atmos, Hi-Fi. Atmos music system. Caution or combat music. Okay. Hi-fi or I don't know. Uh, I'll do the optimized one because I don't have like a hi-fi sound card and this that. So DLC overhaul part 1 and ambience overhaul, not gonna need that, and I'll also install this. So slow download and slow download and slow download. So everything should be downloaded. Atmos sound, overhaul master optimized, overhaul part 1 and the Atmos music system one. So these 3 that I want. And in the meantime, let's check GitHub. Okay, Bethany Pie has been downloaded. So let's go to Teams Attach, and I'll go to CD and CD SDA1 game, not SDA. DB1. I'll go to SDA1, right? Okay, no, CD MNT SDC1. Follow me, Vegas. No, manual mod install. So also documentation. Those are really good. Glow. I'm gonna render this with glow because file. Glow pager. It's project source code, usage, and build. Oh, don't tell me I need to actually build this. Please don't say that. Don't tell me I actually need to build that stuff. That would be not nice. That would not be nice. That would not be nice. I probably would just create the it has a homepage. I might just now I'm kind of remembering some of the pain and irritation that this created. Now I'm remembering some of the bullshit. It's such a pain. Oh god, Bethany Pie. Can I do this thing for you? Oh, add Bethany. No, plugins, archives, data, edit. This is folder and this is we have 2 and this is I don't know where. Anyways. Add an executable, add from file. Bethany Pie, Bethany Pie, okay. Bethany. If it actually fails, that's gonna be not nice. Superhero theme. Fallout New Vegas. So, Fallout New Vegas. Select game. You just fucking opens a goddamn setup and huh? Game pause. Fallout New Vegas and pause. Yeah. General remove unknown settings. I don't want to do that. Okay. Nice. So, display mode full screen, anti-aliasing. Why can't I change this? This does not. For medium, let's go with medium. I don't have this, huh? Bro, what, bro, huh? It's not opening a goddamn. It's not opening the menus that it should open, like tooltips and shit like that. What? Bro, Bethany Pie. I'm using Wayland. Could it be a Wayland issue? Could it be an X11 issue? I have no fucking clue. Bethany Pie. Let's go to the GitHub real quick. Interesting. Yeah, this is the original one. I don't know why the fuck it was taken into there. Linux. Now let's check. Linux improvements. Plan solid build Linux. Oh wait, huh? What? I can build this under Linux? Huh? What? Huh? Supports Linux? Huh? Files? Hold up. Google Contents? Does it have Linux? Does it have Linux? Does it have Linux? It does not have Linux. It does not have Linux. I accidentally thought it had like a Linux binary or something. Bethany Pie, can't find panel exceptions. You're using backslashes. Haven't you heard of OS path join and Windows support forward slashes and paths? Log. Listen this. Path not found. I'm not worried about path not being found and more worried about if you want to quit. Yes. Can't even fucking click. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Bro. Just get the fuck out. Legit gonna fucking crash out. That's why we have B-Talk. Bethany. Why the fuck does it have to? So, Bethany, your problem with being a problem. Could it be wayland issue? I'm gonna exit, cancel. That's gonna be a problem. Plugins data save download. So those are still downloading. I could, in theory, run another instance. And then falloutnv and data saves. One waiting, but proton enable. Will it run under XL? Not so home, configs, hitbox, configs, games fallout. I just wanna know if it will run under X11 and do stuff perfectly. That is taking a while. I know my RAM usage and CPU usage is gonna spike through the roof, but yeah, it's even server. It's trying to use those runs server. That's a problem. That is a problem, baby. That is a problem that I don't want for me. Okay. An instance of mod organizer is already done. Epic, everything is epic, everything is epic. So Bethany Pie stuff, it's can't use Bethany, can't use that, can't use this, can't use that. That's the case. I should, just save it to actually use wayland again. Because it is already using wall 64. God, I hate this. Data saves downloads. These stuff. Oh god, this is taking a fuck ton of time. It will actually take like a fuck ton of time. And I like still haven't played Fallout New Vegas. Like I haven't even touched something. I swear to God, this is the case with Bethesda games. I mod for I play for 2 seconds, and try to mod for fucking what? Hours or something. It's people think managing Linux dependencies is a pain in the ass. No. Managing a Gentoo system is so fucking easier than managing Linux mods. And you can fucking quote me on that. Not Linux mods, managing Bethesda mods. could try to resume, but it's already done halfway. I don't want to do these stuff again, but this is gonna take like what? I don't even know how long this might take. I don't give a fuck about mods at this point. I just want to be able to play the fucking game on Linux, lol. Yeah. The thing is, Nexus mods is being a pain in the ass, right? And it's limiting my stuff. Oh god! Fuck. But in any case, if I run Bethany, right? Bethany is also being a pain in the ass. Just see this. So, Fallout New Vegas, select game. And I think it could be a Wayland issue. I don't know if it's a Wayland issue, I don't know if it's an X11 issue, but let's just hit OK. And now I can't click these stuff, like actually change anything. And this is a problem. And I can't even actually like properly quit it, because do you want to quit? Yes. Oh, cancel. Oh, hold up. Is it cancel? Is it? Hold up. At first I wasn't able to do that, but can I do that now? If I can, then that's kind of cool. Hold up. This is the problem with Linux, Wayland, X11, this and that, my ass, because this mod is try walking around the menu with your keyboard. No, you can't actually do that too. Tab keys, arrow keys, those won't work. I have tried that. Those just won't work. Space, using this, like nothing actually works. It's most likely an X11 or wait, it's a Wayland issue, because I am rendering the stuff under Wayland. So I think what probably is the problem is, you know what? I don't care. I just want to get this. Pause. I'll close that, please, for the love of God. I hope I can resume the game. So team is attached, and now I'll go to the New Vegas. I'll not enable Wayland. I'll run this game. I'll run this game under X11. And now let's see if it fixes itself or not. Let's see. I'll just keep using X11, like try to use X11, like render the game under X11 before I actually start to play the game. Finish modding and start to play the game. Line servers anti-sync up and running. So why the fuck won't you retalk? It's supposed to. Protonge is supposed to render the stuff. Supposed to. Well, if it doesn't render, this is gonna be a huge fucking problem. How developed we the mini game? Exactly. So it's not even rendering under X, which is kinda expected. I mean, I didn't expect this, but yeah, I guess. But then again, protonge is supposed to, like, still, even though I haven't compiled Y on my system and this and that. You know what? Emerge, pretend. Let's just do a pretend merge Y, and let's, as if it's a dependency. I just want to render stuff. Why is that so hard? Why is that so fucking hard? Of course, I haven't compiled those under Excel, so a lot of this stuff went for. Okay. Right, sudo. So, can't do that. Falloutnv. So I'll just put in the one, and instead of mo2, let me use the actual launcher. So we'll run and cd and to falloutnv Vegas. This is under falloutnv, and not the NVC loader, not this, not that. Falloutnv backup. Where's the damn launcher? Falloutnv launcher exe. falloutnv launcher exe, right? Let's just try to run that. And I'll just not use Bethany, I guess. Just not use Bethany. Yeah, unable to find any file. Please reinstall file that I fucking know. Options, anti-aliasing. I'll do 4 samples. 2 samples should be okay-ish. So filtering. Let's do medium quality. 2. Let's set this to 2. Advanced. Texture quality high. Depth of field no. Transparency multi-sampling. Decal cat. I'll set it to like truly fucking high. Texture quality, radio quality, medium, water reflections, reflection. I'll enable everything. What's the harm? If it fails to fucking shadow quality low, shadow filtering low, max interior shadows, max exterior shadows. I'll just set everything to medium. Even though this is gonna be a problem, probably gonna be a problem. Medium. I want detail to enable shadows, view distance. Now, object fade, actor fade, brush fade, minimum, specularity fade, this, light fade, this, item fade, this, shadow fade, this. Looks alright. Distance LD, tree LD fade, object LD fade. I'll set this, set that to that, line quality, set that to that. Something along the lines of here. Okay, close. Is it still having my... Okay, close. 2 samples. Should be okay-ish. Screen effects, bloom. I want bloom. Okay. Exit. Hopefully it will save. Hopefully. Now, let's do anyway. Let's comment this out and actually open The MO2. Now, let's open this. Don't need Bethany. Don't need Bethany. Atmos stuff. Don't need these stuff. Oh, Atmos. I was actually installing Atmos. Now, hopefully, resume. What? Resume. Oh, thankfully it can actually resume again from O2 because I have offset D. That's P. That's P. Even though it says it will take a fuck ton of time, that's still P. It says it will take 3 fucking hours. That's not what I fucking want. Oh god. Nexus bonds. Why are you so much a pain in the ass? Atmos. I'm not also gonna probably be able to use this plugin because yeah. Not Lumen, but I want to talk about this and clicks. Now Lumen. Should I install Lumen? I could. No, this takes like these takes like a billion different mods. In the meantime, weapon animation replacer. Okay, rifles and pistols. Maybe it's for Project Nevada. Show off XNVSC plugin. Lumen ambient lighting, Project Nevada patches. Animation plugin, a world of pain. FNV modern effects. Maybe this enhanced camera. I'll have plans to install that like in future, maybe. Breezes, new internet lights overhaul. The XVK is for Linux, right? Or am I tripping? Cloud control. Cloud control, lag fix. Bounties, enhanced movement. Oh, it's that. I think. Yeah, I think I had downloaded this. Yo, it's this plugin. I fucking love this plugin. I absolutely love this plugin. HV. So enhanced movement. So mod manager download. Just making this. I don't know. Richmeister Radio. Are you still here? I don't know if you're still here, but in any case, just making the a proper wrapper to when I do like a mod download from using a mod manager from my native LibreWolf, and it automatically downloads the mod in the NEOVIM MO2. Just creating this wrapper was so much pain in the ass. Just creating this. It's like Bethesda modding scene on Linux. It's a fucking shit show. And I know some people are gonna be like, yeah, being you're just being uh I don't know. You have skill issues, you have this, you have that. It's just a pain in the ass. Mod manager. Hold up. I have some. Huh? Okay. Why the fuck didn't you tell me then? Jiplin and VSC. Jiplin. Do I have Jiplin? I have Jiplin. Johnny Guitar and VSC. Johnny Guitar. Do I have Johnny Guitar? No, I don't have Johnny Guitar. Shit! Description requirements. Johnny Guitar and VSC. Yeah, animation plugin, MCM extender, a new Vegas animation script extender, show off. Okay, so Johnny Guitar, because of course it's fucking the Johnny Guitar one. And mod manager download. This needs Jiplin. I have Jiplin. Atmos music systems. That fucking finally downloaded. Johnny Guitar also downloaded. So install Johnny Guitar and VSE. That's gonna go in there. Johnny Guitar. Atmos. It's gonna be installed. Music overhaul. Ambience overhaul. So create separator. I'm gonna say audio, and let's move that in here. Now I need Johnny Guitar. I installed. Yes, I installed. So Atmos stuff is still downloading. Enhanced movement stuff. Okay, Johnny Guitar, got it. KNVSC animation plugin. Need that then. Mod manager download. XNVS, and this is the. Oh wait, what's the version of XNVSC that I have downloaded? I think it's something. Can VSE download this. The animation plugin that you need to create separator animation base wish I could properly do the project, right? That would be kind of peak. That would be kind of peak. So can VSE that goes to my download bucket, MCM extender. Good luck, homie. I've got sun to bath in. Okay, take care. Bye. Miscellaneous files, example. My name is script running, so I'm fucking don't need that. 6 additional files required. God, Zeppelin. Mod manager. Okay. So anyway, script extender, Zeppelin, John guitar, show off, and UIO. Okay. So show off. NVSE. That's kind of nice. Utils, instead of utils, I should create something called create separator. The separator name will be NVSE plugin. And this goes beyond those. So Zeppelin goes there, this goes there, Johnny guitar goes there. And what about Yukichigai? Is it an NVSE plugin? Almost start talking open visit on Nexus. Right. Permission credits. Not permission credits. Change log. Not using this mod. Okay. And Zeppelin and that should not visit on Nexus. Johnny guitar visit on Nexus. Those two should not require this requirements. This is Zeppelin, and Zeppelin doesn't require that. Nice, epic. So this is patch. So animation base. So show off NVSE. So install show off NVSE. This goes to there. NVSE plugin. Did show off need anything else? Show off needed requirements, New Vegas script extender. So I do have that. UIO, user interface organizer. So utils, animation space. I should make this to patches and UI to base. So rename separator patches, and then should create separator UI base. Mod configuration menu, goes that, this goes there. Okay. Epic. So requirements. This is the UIO. Atmos ambience overhaul. This is the what? Then what was this? What did I actually install them? Huh? Overhaul master optimist. I don't know what the fuck did I install then. That should remove this. I'm just gonna start mod. Remove mod. Yes, I want to remove the mod. So Atmos ambience overall. That's installed. Let's check the hidden files and search for Atmos only. Oh, so that's the music system. Okay, install Atmos music system. So and then the DLC overhaul. Okay, that's okay. So hide install. Yes, hide install. Enhancement, and I'm still not gonna download that. KNVSE. Need that. I need that. Need KNVSE. And I just pause this for a few seconds and let this pause resume. Yeah, thankfully. Now resume. Right. KNVSE. Install KNVSE animation plugin. Oh, KNVSE. So visit on Nexus. And let's check its dependencies. Anyone who thinks XMVSE. Okay. Anyone who thinks that Linux is hard, they have not done animation base. Okay, animation base. Okay, shit. Animation base. KNVSE. You should go here. You should go here. KNVSE doesn't need anything else. UIO. Is this downloaded? This is not downloaded. New Vegas script extender. This is UI base for XMVSE. Yes, download. Download. Pause that. Let me pause and unpause that. Resume that. Epic. Resume that again. So UIO. This is I'm gonna install that. UIO. This is gonna be UI base. And then we don't want lumen. I have show off. I have MCM extender, which this I want. So requirements, MCM extender. So new Vegas main file, pressing the Zeppelin, Johnny guitar, show off UIO. Yeah, I think I have everything. Johnny, New Vegas, NVS. Yeah, I do have that Zeppelin Zeppelin, Johnny Guitar, show off, UIO, UIO. So I think I can just download this now. So MCM extender framework, download this bad boy. And Atmos DLC overhaul. Atmos. While this is being worked on, Atmos DLC overhaul, part 1, MC extender, pause, resume. Download info, install. MC extender, NCM extender. Then I don't want movement right now. I want enhanced movement, right? Enhanced movement requirements. Zeppelin, Johnny Guitar, KNVSE. I don't think I have KNVSE. Do I have KNVSE? I do have KNVSE. MCM extender, often recommended. New Vegas script extender. And show off. I have everything. So I think I can do animation now. Install mode, not install mode, rather create separator, animation, and then enhance movement, install enhance movement. Now I can enhance movement, animation. That's what it is. Enhance movement, right? Also do that and that. Then I can hide install. Yes. Now I have done the enhanced movement one, which is like one of the peak mods that I have ever played, and I wish there was something like that for Skyrim. That would be so fucking cool. Mini. Oh, it's also needs an mini. Of course, it needs an mini file. Enhanced movements, download. You should open up. Yep. Download it. Install. Enhanced movement in. You go there. You get an email, right? Ambient lighting. Requirements, building ambient lighting. And new Vegas script extender vanilla plus 20. I'll click the name of that, but in the meantime, climate control, unofficial cache and BSC plus. Climate control. Oh, at last, placing have movement. Hold up, though. Can I actually, well, New Vegas, like, let's try to play New Vegas, right? Let's actually go through the mod stuff. And let's actually play the game for like a few seconds. Just a few seconds. Just go through the intro and all that. Because I wanna do a TGM then and do some stuff. See if everything is working properly. Right, like configure the game properly. See, this is like, as I've been saying, more fuck, huh? What the fuck do you mean, baby, that you won't that, huh? Please tell me that, like, don't hang on. New Vegas, you can't be doing this to me, right? You're not doing this to me, right? You're fucking joking, right? What do you mean, New Vegas? You're just gonna close. Okay, you're just gonna close, of course. And so I'm gonna close all that. Can you see? I'm gonna close all that. Let's close those. Let's only keep the patches. Let's only keep the patches. And now let's try to run this. It fails. Ah, it should not do that. It should not do that. It should play the game without being a little bitch. Just to discipline. Why the fuck are you failing, New Vegas? What is your fucking problem? What about the logs? What about the logs? What about the logs? I'm gonna crash out so bad. See most of the time. Oh wait. SD journals. Okay. No file, no such file directory. Interesting. What does it mean by no such file directory? CD, MNT, SDC line, Fallout New Vegas, right? Both in Fallout New Vegas. You literally have falloutnv.exe. What do you mean you can't find that goddamn New Vegas, Fallout function, New Vegas, Fallout function, New Vegas? This is the Fallout function. So what is the problem? Process libraries. These application names. Create files over FID. What do you mean? What do you mean? Logs. Go through this. We'll go through this. We'll go through this. Is this what's the issue here? I don't get it. What's the issue here? Exit. Something anti-sync, something, I don't know. What the fuck is the problem? New Vegas, you're using waylands, you're using the proper stuff. So what is your problem? God, I'm gonna actually crush it. I'm gonna crash the fuck out. I'm gonna crash the fuck out, baby. Gonna crash the fuck out. Gonna crash the fuck out. I have the 4 gigabytes patch where I have the fucking everything. So why wouldn't it work? It doesn't make any sense. I have not changed anything. I have not changed anything. Literally. it just dies. That's not supposed to happen. Could hmm. Could, could it be related to fallout launcher and basic loader? See, yeah, this is not supposed to happen. This is not supposed to happen. What is your problem? What's the 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 damn problem? Is it an issue with monitoring? Is it an issue with my config? Is it an issue with this? Is it an issue with that? I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. I don't know. This is not supposed to happen. Damn, it doesn't look like Fallout New Vegas is gaming on Linux really that much of a pain. Remember, switching operating system is faster than playing on Linux. Fuck you. Options. Low. Yeah, let me just set everything to low. Right. Let me set everything to low. Close. Sync. Okay. Exit. Right. Options. Okay. Exit. Now. No, it's not game time. It's not game time. It's not game time. We're still far. No, I closed it, man. Right? I closed it manually because I configured mods, then suddenly Fallout New Vegas doesn't want to load anymore from MO2. You know, the mod manager. So I was like confused, and the only thing, I then unloaded all the mods. It still doesn't want to work. So the only thing that I had changed in the meantime was, like, you see, all the mods that I have been installing, they're unloaded, right? So the only thing that I had changed was settings from the, yeah, it just closes. It just fucking closes. This is not supposed to fucking happen. You're not supposed to do this, Fallout. You're supposed to fucking run. The path looks alright. Everything looks alright. Let's run the backup. Shall we? Let's run the backup. Play. Let's run the backup. And let's just try to see this. Is there a crash log we can do? The only readable MNT SDC1 Fallout Vegas, Fallout NV, Fallout Vegas, Fallout NV. Okay, wait, not Fallout NV, MO2, and logs. This. So it's just saying that exceed PID size objects injecting to process this TML path this injecting the proxy run successful. It doesn't say any errors in this or anything. It doesn't say anything. And every single mod that I have installed is unloaded. View to settings. Profiles. Maybe it's because it's about the mod manager has a feature that only works on Windows. Here's the thing though, it has been working. It has been working. It suddenly just stopped working. And that's what I'm trying to deal with. That's why I'm confused, because it's not supposed to do that. cd local share. Let's close this. Let's close this. Right. Local share one prefixes. Let's go to falloutnv. Drive C. Right. Let's. What the fuck is this? This is. Yeah, I don't know. In any case, OpenXR, program files, users in general, student users. So, .NET application data. Maybe running the game on a VM. I have 8 gigabytes of fucking memory. And I don't have a dedicated GPU. You think my fucking PC would be able to run a goddamn VM, Windows VM? I can run Linux VM with QEMU, but a Windows VM? Nah. Desktop. Where the fuck is documents? It was on the documents. My game following this. Let's nuke this. Let's nuke this. Now let's try to open this. Living with 8 gigabytes of RAM and no dedicated GPU. Yeah. It's a living, alright. If it still happens, then I think I wanna pass the binary again. The Fallout New Vegas. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do this. Apply. Okay. So, moment of truth. Will it work? Will it or will it not work? It does not work. It does not work. It just fucking kills itself. It's not supposed to do that. It wasn't doing that before too. So something changed. Something changed. Exit. Let's go to CD, MT, SDC1, Fallout New Vegas, MO2, and let's mods, profiles, usual, no, archive, Fallout Mini, Fallout Custom. Let's move this. Let's move this and this and this. Load order, that's not new. Load orders, let's not do that. Let's not do that. Settings any. Fallout any, Fallout custom. Let's nuke those. And please, for the love of God, say that it will work. Because if it doesn't, we have a problem. By the way, your chat session in the top right corner looks odd too. I like it. Thank you. It's actually rendering in the terminal. I'm just rendering stuff in Key. because I have one monitor, like most streamers do, because they have the RAM to spend and they have the monitors to spend. Most streamers will have two monitors, right? And then with two monitors, they'll do what? Have chat and stuff on one monitor and have their main stuff in another monitor, and use OBS's browser plugin to actually render the chat in like post-processing, right? In the stream itself. However, this actually lives in my monitor. So this is just a single terminal, right? This is actually a terminal. So it's, yeah, I can read stuff all the time. The problem is when I'm playing like either games or when I'm playing like stuff, I like the viewers can't see this, like on the other side of this, or I have to work on the transparency, or even if the viewers can't see this, I can't see this. Having two monitors for reading chat actually makes it harder to follow, I think. Yeah, actually, that's why like you'll see like a lot of upcoming streamers, or even like streamers that are not upcoming but have been streaming for a while. Like they don't read chat like instantly, right? They don't read chat instantly. Either they'll have to look around and then they'll read chat. But me, I'm reading chat instantly. Like the only delay there is the delay from the internet delay. Me streaming it, then you're seeing that, then you're typing, and then it gets sent. So that delay. Other than that, I'm reading the chat instantly. But Fallout New Vegas, why the fuck won't you load? Yes. No, Fallout New Vegas, really load. Please, please, please. You don't load. Why? 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 You're not supposed to do this. 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 Fallout NV. Let's. So, patch backups. Fallout NV. Fallout NV XC and Fallout NV backup. Let's patch backups. Patch backup, and this should be unpatched backup. No, Fallout NV backup. Let's set it to Fallout NV. Now let's run Fallout NV patcher. It says patched Fallout NV XC. Now let's Linux to the school, but it seems too complicated for me. What do you use actually? Do you use Linux or do you use Windows? Windows. Ah, okay. Linux isn't that bad to be honest. I will say, maintaining, like not maintaining, like maintaining a modded Bethesda game is way more complicated and way more irritating and way more pain in the ass rather than maintaining a Gentoo system. And I have done both. I'm maintaining a Gentoo system and I'm trying to like I'm maintaining my own Gentoo system and I'm trying to like set up a modded Fallout New Vegas. And it's a pain in the ass. It's a pain in the ass. It doesn't work. Whereas Linux, like either it works or it doesn't work. It's just that. But on like a Bethesda, is it a Bethesda issue? Is it a me issue? Is it a mod issue? Is it a mod loader issue? Is it a like link issue, or is it a this issue? Is it a that issue? Is it a those issue? Is it a dependency issue? Like on Linux, like imagine this on Linux, when I'm using a package manager, my package manager handles all the dependencies, right? But when I'm trying to maintain, when I'm trying to set up a Bethesda like modding stuff, I have to manage mod dependencies myself. So if mod A needs mod B, if mod B needs mod C, I have to manage all the stuff in my head. I have to manage all those stuff manually. And yes, I know there's Wabberjack, but fuck Wabberjack. I'm not using Wabberjack on Linux because I think it can't be properly used. If your preference is casual use, Linux is better, but I can't play League of Legends or Valorant on Linux. True. I mean, if you're a League of Legends player or Valorant player, then yeah, I guess. Yeah. New Vegas. falloutnv and sh. So you should just what? Please. Let's redo our sync stuff. Please, just work. It's not that deep, bro. It's not that deep. It's not that deep, bro. We just need to just work. Just work. Please, just work. You should. You know what? I'll even fix games. I'm not asking you for much. I'm just asking you to just fucking work. Todd Howard says you just work, but so why the fuck won't you just work? Have you tried making your own distro? Nope. I can't believe Todd Howard lied to me. Sneaky Todd. I'm losing my sanity. I'm actually losing my sanity, I think. New Vegas. It just works my ass. It just works my ass. This is ass. This is so ass. Why won't you work? Like seriously. There's no way to play a game without losing your sanity. It was working before. So why won't it work now? That doesn't make any sense. Wait, working directory. What's the working directory? Fallen view. Let me change that to MNT SDC 1. Fallout New Vegas, Fallout New, right? Yes. And you know what? I'll even change this. MNT SDC 1, Fallout New Vegas, Fallout NV, Fallout NV XE, right? So you two should fucking work. Apply. I don't care about New Vegas, I don't care about Gig, I don't care about anything else. Explore virtual folder. Can I at least check the virtual folder? If this works, then I hear the noise. I hear and see stuff. Yeah, this is supposed to work. What is? Okay, it's Fallout and data. Yeah, everything is supposed to work. NVSE. So let's now New Vegas. New Vegas just crits. It was not happening before, so why does it happen now? It simply does not make any sense. It simply does not make any sense. I have NVSC stuff. I have everything that I would want. You know what? Let's do full debug. Let's do a full debug. 2 minutes attached. And let's close this. Exit. Should ask for a password. Do not ask for a password. I don't care at this point. Log and proton log, right? Let's do a full log. We're gonna figure out what the fuck is the problem. Hopefully. Mod organizer is opened. Now start. It doesn't even say anything. Good luck trying to start game with mods. The thing is, it was fucking working, so I don't know what's not working now. It literally doesn't make any sense. NVSC stuff is there. Like every stuff that I would actually want is there. Malna having this, study mod organizer, data pack, directory, using game plugin. I'm out. See you. Okay, take care. Bye. Milestone. Certainly wasn't open with them. Deleted. Of course it's fucking deleted. Oh god, do I actually have to uninstall? I don't want to uninstall, please, for the love of God, please, 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 please. If fuck. I can run Bethin. Fuck you. Is there anything in the override directory? Fucking hell. Hold up. Hold up. Could not find radial constraint default object. Do you ever fix this? Fuck you, Steven. Fuck this shit, I'll reinstall. I'll try to reinstall. Fine, I'll fucking reinstall. I'll do every single fucking. I'm a close stream. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm a close stream. Anyways, I don't know if anyone is still fucking seeing the stream.